How to file or submit Form 1099 NEC with IRS electronically. I'm going to tell you how to file Form 1099 NEC electronically with the IRS, which you'll need to do if you paid $600 or more to a non-employee or independent contractor. First, you'll need to gather all the necessary details: payee's name, address, TIN or SSN, and the total number you paid them. Then, head over to the IRS FIRE system or Filing Information Returns electronically at fire.irs.gov. But before you can upload anything, you need a transmitter control code or TCC, which you can get by submitting Form 4419 at least 30 days before the deadline. Once you've got your TCC, you can use IRS approved software or service like Tax 1099 or eFile for Biz to generate and upload your 1099 NEC in the correct format. If you only have a few forms to file, those platforms make it easier with built-in checks and automatic submissions. Remember, the deadline to file 1099 NEC with the IRS electronically is January 21st each year.